Introducing the Fujifilm X-T4 Mirrorless Digital Camera XF16 80mm Lens Kit in black. This incredible camera puts stability in your hands with its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing up to 6.5 stops of image stabilization. Whether you're capturing photos or videos, your images will remain steady and sharp, even in the midst of action. Not only does the X-T4 offer exceptional stability, but it also delivers performance you can rely on. It features a newly developed mechanical shutter that is the fastest and most robust in the history of the X series. With the ability to shoot at 15 frames per second and a durability rating of 300,000 actuations, you'll never miss the perfect opportunity. Plus, the X-T4's larger capacity battery can capture up to 600 frames per charge, giving you peace of mind during extended shooting sessions. When it comes to versatility, the X-T4 has you covered. Its 1.62 million pixel vari-angle touchscreen LCD can be adjusted to be visible from a wide range of positions, allowing you to find the best angle for your story. And when you need to minimize distractions, the LCD can easily be folded away, leaving the updated 3.69 million pixel electronic viewfinder to help you focus on the moment at hand. For those who blur the lines between photography and videography, the X-T4 is designed to celebrate this new generation of hybrid creativity. With the flick of a switch, you can activate movie mode and record professional-level 601 4K, 60p and Full HD, 240p super slow-motion videos. The camera also supports recording F-Log footage in 10-bit color, giving you powerful image manipulation capabilities. With over 85 years of experience in color science, Fujifilm brings their legendary film simulations to the X-T4. One of the newest additions, Eterna Bleach Bypass, creates a beautiful desaturated, high-contrast look that any imagemaker will find irresistible. Capture your creativity with the Fujifilm X-T4 and take your photography and videography to new heights. This ultimate camera for hybrid image makers offers professional functionality and the versatility to make the most of your creativity. Get yours today.